Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by selecting the pieces you will display in the showcase. Allow 20 inches of width per place for comfortable spacing and movement around the table. Place a 10-inch dinner plate centered at each place setting on the table surface directly under the showcase glass. Set an 8-inch salad plate on top of the dinner plate to create a layered focal point for each setting. Remove any dust or fingerprints from all china using a soft cloth before arrange flatware next for a neat and traditional presentation inside the showcase. Place forks to the left of the plates about 1 inch from the plate edge and 1 inch apart from each other for clarity. Set the knife to the right of the plate with the blade facing inward and maintain 1 inch spacing between knife and plate. Position the water glass approximately 3-5 inches above the knife and slightly to the right for easy reach. Fold napkins into neat rectangles approximately 8 by 10 inches and place them on the salad plate for visual consistency. Add small accents like place cards, cut flowers, or candles, keeping height under 6 inches to preserve sightlines through the showcase glass. Ensure centers of all plates align in a straight horizontal line across the display for a professional look. Step back and inspect from multiple angles, adjusting spacing to maintain 20 inches per place, and remove any remaining fingerprints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.